How to create a custom pass from the Urmet CallMe app. To create a custom pass from the Urmet CallMe app, tap on the menu icon in the top right and then click My Passes. Then tap Add Pass. Select Custom Pass from the list. A custom pass allows full customization for your requirements. Give the pass a name, then tap Confirm. From here, you can edit the pass name, access code, validity period, uses, entrances, and access time. Tap on the Edit button on the right-hand side to adjust each option. Once you are happy with your options, tap on the Save Pass button at the bottom of the screen. The QR code and PIN code will be generated. This image can then be shared with others by email or another messaging app. You can then tap Go to Passes to return to your current passes.